one political party, and yesterday we received one petition from one of the NGOs with regard to revocation of 144, particularly with regard to prohibition of processions and rallies. But this order has been issued with an objective to ensure that law and order is not disturbed, and also to ensure the traffic convenience for the normal commuters. So because on 4th, that is counting day, would be a working day, and the counting center is in the middle of the city. So there is every possibility that the processions may lead to law and order disturbances, and also will create huge traffic problems that we experienced in last assembly elections. So with these objectives, we have issued these directions prohibiting processions and rallies, but other forms of celebrations at their own localities are not prohibited in this order. So this is very clear, and we have conveyed it to all stakeholders also. So, sir, we will not revoke this order. No, there is no thought of revoking this order, which is already issued. But again, I would like to reiterate that there is no objection of the parties or candidates celebrating at their own localities, so that we are not against the celebrations.